Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cinema cameras to talk about Sony's next exciting innovation, the Sony FX3 II. Is this the final chapter for the legendary A7S series? Or is it just the beginning of a new cinematic revolution in Sony's compact camera line? With Sony continuously pushing the envelope for creators, videographers, and indie filmmakers, all eyes are on the FX3 II. This compact, full-frame cinema camera is rumored to deliver powerful enhancements over its predecessor, making it a potential game-changer in the mirrorless video camera space. So what's new? What's improved? And more importantly, is the FX3 II worth the upgrade if you already own the original FX3 or even an A7S III? Let's break it all down. A major evolution. New sensor technology. One of the most talked about upgrades is the rumored 26MP stacked full-frame sensor, a significant leap from the FX3's existing sensor. This cutting-edge sensor is expected to offer super-fast readout speeds, drastically minimizing rolling shutter issues, crucial for high-speed action or handheld footage. The new sensor design should also boost dynamic range and low-light performance, making it a top pick for both run-and-gun filmmakers and studio-based creators. The stacked sensor also unlocks more headroom for AI-powered image processing, enhancing color reproduction and tonal accuracy. Pair that with Sony's refined Cinetone profiles and new S-Log options, and you've got a camera that delivers cinematic footage straight out of the box, with minimal color grading required. Next-level video specs. The FX3 II is shaping up to be a 4K and 6K beast, with expectations of 6K internal recording and 4K at 120 FPS. That means buttery smooth slow-motion clips, increased sharpness, and excellent color fidelity, all in a compact cinema body. For content creators focused on short films, documentaries, music videos, or even YouTube and streaming, these features offer serious flexibility and production value. The upgraded processing engine also hints at better in-camera noise reduction, making it easier to shoot clean footage in dim environments. No extra post-processing required. Intelligent autofocus and AI tracking. Perhaps one of the most anticipated features is the FX3 II's AI-enhanced autofocus system. Sony has been leading the pack in subject detection and tracking, and this time it's expected to go even further. The autofocus is rumored to recognize faces, eyes, heads, and objects, adapting dynamically to lighting conditions and erratic movements. For filmmakers who need to focus on storytelling rather than fiddling with focus pulls, this is a huge deal. Think fast-paced interviews, event coverage, or street videography. Your subject stays locked on, even in tricky lighting. Enhanced ergonomics and body design. User experience is another area where Sony seems to have listened. The FX3 II is expected to feature a redesigned grip, making it more comfortable for handheld shooting over long periods. A major win for professionals is the likely inclusion of a full-sized HDMI port, which simplifies connectivity with external monitors, recorders, or switchers on set. Another rumored upgrade includes more customizable buttons, giving filmmakers the freedom to tailor the layout to their workflow. This can make a huge difference in high-pressure shooting environments, where quick adjustments are crucial. Fast and flexible connectivity. In 2025, wireless speed and connectivity can't be an afterthought, and Sony knows this. The FX3 II is said to feature Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and a high-speed USB-C port. Whether you're sending files to the cloud, remotely controlling the camera via your smartphone, or backing up footage in the field, these upgrades ensure a faster and more reliable workflow. File transfers will be quicker than ever, and wireless camera control opens the door for more advanced setups, like drone-mounted shots or stealthy tripod filming without needing to touch the device. Cooling, battery life, and reliability. Thermal management has often been a point of concern in compact cinema cameras. The FX3 II is rumored to feature a re-engineered cooling system, allowing it to shoot for longer durations without thermal shutdowns. Whether you're shooting interviews, events, or extended takes in a single scene, reliability will be key, and it looks like Sony is addressing this head-on. battery life is expected to get a significant boost as well, possibly up to 30% more usage time per charge, thanks to a next-gen battery system. That's more runtime and less downtime, something every filmmaker can appreciate on a busy shoot day. Is it time to say goodbye to the A7S line? With all these powerful upgrades, the question arises, is Sony slowly phasing out the A7S series? The FX3 II seems to be carving out a more defined niche in the market, sitting right at the crossroads of cinema-grade performance and compact form factor. With Sony's emphasis on hybrid capabilities, future-proof codecs, and advanced features tailored for video-first creators, the FX3 II could very well replace the need for the A7S IV, if that even sees the light of day. Final thoughts. A new king in compact cinema? The Sony FX3 II could easily become the go-to tool for pro-level content creation, YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and commercial videographers. If even half of these rumors hold true, we're looking at a camera that delivers in every critical category: image quality, autofocus intelligence, workflow efficiency, ergonomics, and reliability.